What is happening YouTube? Got a quick video for you today about shipping and how I handle it with my reselling business. Shipping is one of those things that seems really straightforward when you get started. You don't put much thought into it, but as things get going with your reselling business, you're probably going to find that shipping becomes more and more of a pain in the ass as you go along and as you get more items and less time in your day. So I just wanted to break it down for you guys how I do it real quick. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. And let's just jump right into it. So the first things first, what are we shipping today? This is what sold the past couple days. This is a hat, and I also have a button-up shirt here. So nothing too special about these items. This shirt is Vineyard Vines, and this is obviously Ralph Lauren. So pretty popular brands. These two brands sell pretty well for me on Poshmark and on eBay. Both of these items sold on Poshmark. So, moving right along. I ship mostly items from Poshmark in these bubble mailers, and these are free from USPS.com. So, highly recommend ordering these. They'll send you, I forget how many at a time, but as many as you want, just about, and they ship them right to your house for free. Your mailman drops them off, so highly recommend getting these if you don't. So then what I do with like something like this, like a hat, is I have this brown paper here. This is just from an Amazon package that I ordered. You know, any kind of paper will work. I don't like to use newspaper or magazines just because it doesn't look that professional, but any kind of plain paper or wrapping paper. And then I will put the hat in there. And one other thing I do that I think helps make a difference with customer satisfaction is dryer sheets. I put a dryer sheet in every clothes order that I ship out, whether it's shoes or shirts, pants, hats, anything like that. I put a dryer sheet in there because that's going to keep it fresh and cover up any smells that may have been lingering from your living situation. If you have pets or little kids or somebody in your house smokes, whatever it is, that can help with that odor. So I will just put that there. And I've never had a complaint from anybody about it being too smelly or messing up your garment. I think most people appreciate the fact that I'm trying to deliver them a fresh item. So anyways, I'll wrap this hat in paper so it doesn't get too beat up in the mail if they throw it around. And then that goes straight into the envelope. And these have a nice little pull tab here with, it's already sticky so you don't have to lick it, you don't have to worry about tape or anything like that. I just fold it over as neatly as possible. It sticks to itself, and boom, we're almost done. So another thing that can help speed this up for you guys is I don't want to show you guys the addresses or whatever for customer privacy, but I print my labels on label paper. So what's good about that is I just take scissors and cut it out, and it doesn't have to be too exact. And then yeah, this just peels right off and sticks on the package, so you don't have to worry about messing with tape. It just prints right out, so you're not worried about writing somebody's address and making sure you copy it down correctly. I just email this to my printer as soon as the order comes in and print it out on this sticker, and then there she goes. This is ready to be dropped at the post office. And now another way this is going to save you guys time by using these USPS containers is once you have a label on it, you don't have to wait in line at the post office. I just walk right in, put this on the counter, and walk out, and that's it. So it makes for a really smooth shipping experience. And so now I'm going to go ahead and package up this shirt. Like I said, this is just Vineyard Vines. I'm actually kind of sad to see it go because it's my size and it's really comfortable, and I like this shirt. But I paid $4 or $5 for this at Goodwill, and I sold it for $25. So I'll take that any day of the week. The hat sold for $20 as well, I believe. I'll have to double check. I think it was $20, and I paid $3 for that at Goodwill. So, like I said before, if you guys haven't tried this reselling thing for yourself, I highly, highly recommend going to your local thrift store, taking a look around. Just start out by getting items that you like, that are your size. That way, if they don't sell, hey, you got yourself some discount clothes, nothing wrong with that. But if your experience is anything like mine, I'm sure your stuff will sell and you'll be kicking yourself for not starting sooner. So get out there, earn yourself some additional income, be smart about it, make it easy on yourself. Do things like I'm showing you in this video to save yourself time and really generate more personal freedom for yourself. That's what we're all here for. So I'd like to go ahead and ask you, if you found this information helpful, to go ahead and smash the like button, as the kids say, right down there. Just go ahead and click that thumbs up. It'll only take you a second. And if you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, because I will be giving you guys all of the tips I can as far as reselling and selling things online in general. So once again, thanks for checking out this video. I hope this helped you guys, and yeah, like I said, it only takes a few minutes to ship things out once you get in the groove. So try it out yourself, and catch you on the next video.